Clients across the spectrum are looking at outsourcing. They thought they needed to have their accounting staff, their CFO, their controller, their accounts payable team in the building with them. Everyone now has a solution for working from home, working remotely. Now you're seeing flexible work arrangements, hybrid environments, so that reliance on having someone in front of you to work with them has kind of gone away. Now they're seeing that more as overhead, and they want to focus more on the customer experience or the talent experience at their organization.
It's challenging to sometimes be able to afford and deploy a full-blown accounting department, a full-time CFO, a full-time controller, to get all the aspects of your accounting and financial reporting taken care of. It makes sense to deploy an outsourced accounting resource in a fractional way. It's the team within RSM that they hired to do this for them. So they get a high-quality caliber team that's CPA or CPA track professionals.
We have several different service lines that offer a managed technology or professional services solution that's recurring, predictable, standardized. So there are more options available to middle market companies across the professional services industry.
Some of the key industries within finance and accounting outsourcing that we support: nonprofit, life sciences, technology, media and telecommunications, business and professional services. And we've created teams that support clients that are specific to that industry. As they grow, we can scale and grow the business that we're deploying for our clients in the finance and accounting outsourcing model.
That whole model allows that type of company to focus on their core competency. We can set up our technology, our chart of accounts, our accounting processes to align with the needs of that private equity group, and then we can repeat company by company. Not only does that decrease the amount of setup time required, but it also ensures that you have standardized processes across those companies. When you look at internal controls and even just onboarding new team members, you have a model that's understandable by all users.
One benefit of the finance and accounting outsourcing model that we deploy is it's very scalable. So we often get engaged with a younger early stage client that might be early in its life cycle and with growth trajectory plans. As they grow, we can scale and grow the business.
Our primary focus for the next 5 to 10 years is on investing the capital we have at our disposal and using that to leverage our growth into more permanent relationships than we had 5 or 10 years ago. The transition has already happened for us from a management model to an investing model. We've only done that because we knew we had RSM ready to step in as a partner in those. So we keep the RSM team apprised of every acquisition that we're considering.
We do the original discovery. We help select systems and design a model to perform their accounting. We implement the systems, but then we're along for the ride. Being able to continue to optimize the technology and the processes while staying engaged and continuing to add value to the client in the subsequent months is the really fun part. The more efficient we can be in recording transactions, the more accurate we can be, serves the clients better.
For us to really do our job successfully and effectively for our clients, it really does help to understand the whole picture. And then we can put the numbers, the information, the financials in context for them to help them hopefully make smarter, better business decisions.